Hey DJI fans, my name's Vince. Welcome to DJI Mavic Air Tutorials. In this episode, we're going to show you ActiveTrack. Alright, to access ActiveTrack, first select the remote icon on the left side, then we're going to click on ActiveTrack. Once you enter, the aircraft will automatically recognize subjects in the frame. Choose one, or if the subject isn't recognized automatically, draw a box around it with your finger. The aircraft should recognize it and will enter trace mode by default. If you want to change the mode, click on the left side to switch to profile or spotlight. ActiveTrack on the Mavic Air is more accurate and reliable than in previous models. Trace mode follows or leads your subject and keeps it in the frame. There's a slider bar that allows you to change the camera speed. As you increase the number, the camera will move quicker. Profile mode allows you to track your subject in from a profile view. The aircraft will maintain the subject and move its position to maintain a profile angle. Please note that the Mavic Air does not have obstacle avoidance on its sides, so be sure you have a clear path when using this mode. Spotlight mode locks the camera to your subject, allowing you to fly freely while keeping the subject in frame. These are all amazing features that I could have only dreamed of just a few years ago. It's really amazing that we've got it right here in this package. What ActiveTrack is your favorite, and how would you use it? Let us know in the comments section below, and we'll see you on the next one.